Hello, assalamu alaikum. Uh, uh, it's another time, right? We are working with the Adidas sales dataset, right? So in the previous two videos, actually, we learned how to create a pivot table, and the second video we learned how to modify the pivot table, right? Okay, so in this video, we will show some advanced option. For example, we are creating another pivot table. For example, insert pivot table, new worksheet, right? I would like to investigate region-wise products, total sale, right? Region-wise total product sale. This is the pivot table. To be honest, in this pivot table, it's quite difficult to create a decision, but business managers would like to create decision from the information. It's all are the raw data, right? There is lots of here. It's all are the raw data with some variables, right? And this is the summary of the data. So manager actually would like to see these types of summary. That is why we use the pivot table to create the summary of the data. And using this data or tabulated value actually is quite difficult to make the understand in a with a quick view, right? So to make it, or if I would like to take a quick decision, right? In that case, we will create the chart, pivot chart. So how we can do it? Please see here, there is no options in pivot chart in here, right? So here is the pivot table analysis. If you click the outside of the pivot table, the options will not appear. But when you will click within the pivot table, right? So these options will appear, right? So just select any one of cell and go to the pivot chart, and here you will find lots of chart, line chart, column chart, bar chart, right? So okay, I'm just making a column chart, right? Just select the column chart, and there are lots of column chart out here. I'm just making it this one, right? And click OK. So this is the column chart. So using this column chart, actually you can take some decision. I mean the quick decision. What is the quick decision? For example, this product means street footwear, right? So where the means street footwear sold, uh, I mean maximum sold, right? So please see here in the west region, the means street footwear sold was maximum, right? On the other hand, in the Midwest region, the men's apparel sale was very low, right? So using this graph, using this chart, manager take lots of decision based on his or her business requirement, right? Okay, so in this way, actually, we can create the pivot chart. On the other hand, when we create the pivot chart, there are some options. For example, we need to consistence with the chart. So how we can do it? For example, here you will see there is no x-axis and y-axis value. So please click here and click here, x-axis. So in the x-axis, actually, you need to write region, right? And here you can write the number of total number of cell, total number of cells, right? There are another problem also. These values are in ash color, right? I mean the text. So you can select this one and go to the home, and you can make it a black color. All the colors are in black. If you would like to increase your font size, so just select and you can increase your font size. It depends on your requirement, right? On the other hand, in some cases, uh, for example, you are writing your paper or thesis or any other report using the Times and New Roman data set, sorry, front, right? But here you will see all the fronts are in Calibri body, so it's not consistent. So in that case, actually you should consistent when you will write a report, right? So just click here and you can make it a Times New Roman. How is Times New Roman? Okay, time New Roman, right? So in this way you can make your report consistent, right? That's it all about today, how you can create a pivot chart and how you can modify a pivot chart, right? So after the next video, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.